Hi there, my name is Amanda Hill, and in this video we're going to talk about something that actually only launched 21 days ago. How mad is that? It's something called chatgpt. Now what the heck does that even mean? It stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a chat box that does stuff for you. So what does it do? Well, it's built on top of a very large network, an OpenAI network, and it will help you with lots of stuff, including writing emails and writing content and a lot of other phenomenal things. Should we go and have a look? So you need to create an account, and it's free. And then you need to tell it what you want it to do. So let's go and try it out. So we have this lovely little box just down here out of view. Should we just try and move that down a tiny bit? No, it's not having it. Okay, well, let's just go and type in it and then see what it does. Okay, so I've put write an email for a new online training course for people wanting to get started selling on Amazon that already has a group people can network in and kicks off on the 5th of January. Right, let's see what happens. So click send and wait. Now it's doing stuff. And let's see what it says. Oh gosh. Well, it's certainly getting carried away and typing somewhat quicker than I do. Wow. And it's writing an awful lot more than I have done. Oh, hello. Interesting. I didn't tell it any of all of those things, but needless to say, I will be stealing some of it for the email that I've just written. Wow. Well, that's quite phenomenal, really. I haven't actually asked it anything to do with doing an email. I haven't asked it or given it any of all of that. And I most certainly haven't given it most of that information. Now, obviously, I have typed things on here and it's searching the internet for stuff. But oh my, do you think that would help you with anything at all that you want to write a landing page for, an email for, a piece of marketing, anything at all? That is quite amazing. Now, I could get it to have another go at doing it and it will give me something else, but I just wanted to show you just how powerful this particular piece of software is. Now you can see why the investors are getting exceptionally excited. Now, as I said, it literally launched on the 30th of November 2022, and it's a San Francisco-based AI and research company who have launched it. Now, I'm not sure what the original reason for doing this is, but a chatbot is a chat robot, and it's a computer program that basically is supposed to simulate human conversation, and it's designed to help solve a problem. So that's what it's trying to do, which is actually pretty scary at just how good it's done that, in my opinion. I'd love to hear what you think. I'd love to hear what you go and do with it. But oh my, I think this is something special.